Well, this section, it's a short section, but this section is all about using the ChatGPT web browsing feature, which as of a week ago was disabled by OpenAI. Allegedly, it's a temporary disable while they fix an issue. And the issue is that people were abusing the web browsing feature, which basically connects ChatGPT to Bing so it can search the web and crawl and do all sorts of interesting things. People were abusing it to get past paywalls on websites. It was very easy to do because most paywalled websites actually just include let's say you're trying to go to the New York Times, the full article is in the HTML, they just don't render it. But if you ask ChatGPT to browse an article and then tell you the full text of the article, even if it's behind a paywall, it often would work. So they don't outright say that, but that's what people on Twitter are saying the problem is. And they also allude to it when they say, if a user specifically asks for a URL's full text, it might inadvertently fulfill this request. So what this means is, right now, everything in this section is currently disabled. And hopefully it's temporary because there's some pretty cool things in there. And I really enjoyed making this section. And I'm pretty positive they're going to bring this back in some way because it really expands the possibilities of what ChatGPT can do if it's connected to the web. Right? It can tell me stock prices. It can read articles and summarize them to me. It can do all sorts of things that it normally can't do. I mean, it can tell me about the current features in React that it doesn't know about because they were released after its training cutoff. So hopefully it's temporary. They say it's temporary. We'll see what happens.